continue. Yeah, so that's the medium-sized pot we're about to use. All right, to make this beautiful cup of tea tonight. Yeah. So, yeah, man. So big up all the people them who always support Chef Ricardo. I know say always come with positive things, no negative things around here. You don't know the thing already. Big up on yourself. My respect goes for you. Win some. Big up yourself. What's going on? Long time. Big up yourself. Goodness, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I appreciate every one of you guys. All right. So let's put some hot water into the pot. Hot water, that's the first thing we're gonna do. 1 cup of hot water. Yeah. I'm gonna put some pimento seed into it. Can't go wrong with pimento seed, guys. Very good for you. Some cloves. That's some cloves right here. Yeah. Few cloves on pimento seed. Yeah. Bay leaf. Put a few bay leaf into it. Yeah. Alright. So things looking good in the water so far. Yeah, that looking good. Let's get the onion. This is the white onion I'm gonna put into the water. Yeah, see, we're using 1 medium-sized white onion into the water. That's it, guys. Yeah. All right. That's it right there so far. Beautiful cup of tea. Yeah. If you like to, I can put on some garlic inside of it. Yeah. Right, put some garlic. Yeah, man. That is my favorite cup of tea right there. You guys are supposed to know that. Alright? That is my favorite cup of tea right there. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna boil it, we're just gonna like jar, we're gonna jar it. Alright? So you can see we got all of that ingredients inside of it. So we're gonna put some garlic inside of it. 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic. We got pimento seed. We got the cloves, and we got the white onion. Put a few bay leaf inside of it, guys. All right. So this cup of tea right here is one of those kind of cup of tea you want to drink. 1 in the morning, 1 at night, 2 times a day if you're a person who's talking about high blood pressure. If you're not interested in high blood pressure, this one goes for you. But if you're interested, yeah, that will just definitely go for you. You can get a copy on Amazon. All right, from poverty to purpose. So this is just go down with 1 cup of water with some cloves, pimento seed, and bay leaf, and garlic. All right, yeah. So you can see, yeah, that looking fantastic and amazing, guys. This is one of my favorite recipe which I normally make all the time, and you guys supposed to know that one. Yeah, man. So if you're a person who watch Chef Ricardo show, then you will know that I'm always making this cup of tea. Let's turn off the cooker and let it steam inside of it. Yeah. Yeah. So you see, make it boil up a little bit. That's what we need. Yeah. So we just make it boil a little bit. And once it boils, we are good to go. Yeah. So if you're just coming on the show and you don't know what Chef Ricardo making, alright, we name out the ingredients again. Once again, this is the white onion, we got bay leaf, and we got pimento seed, and we got some cloves and garlic inside of it, with a large cups of water. This is one for the high blood pressure. If you're a person who are interested in high blood pressure tea, then this goes on really well for you guys. All right, yeah, man. Look at that. That is amazing and fantastic. So you want to drink this 2 times a day. That's the garlic right there. All right, and not only that, this is very good for cold and flu and things in your gut and bacteria and all them things there. Very powerful cup of tea. So I want to encourage you guys, if you are interested in drinking this kind of tea, you don't know thing already. Yeah, this is the place for you, right here. The Chef Ricardo cooking. Yeah. So you want to drink this 2 times a day, guys, if you can. 2 times a day. Two times a day, honestly, you will see the whole benefit. 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, 1 at night before you eat the bed. All right, yeah, man, that's the best time to drink it. But it's a very powerful recipe, and not only that, the tea itself not only just say it's good for, like say, high blood pressure. It's a lot of benefit it have. It's the benefit behind it, like help you to reduce inflammation in your gut, help you with if you're suffering from a cold or flu, you know. All right, best thing to do is to drink it naturally. Don't add any sugar or sweetener or honey. Just drink it naturally to get the full 100% benefit from it. Yeah, that's what I advise you guys to do with this cup of tea, because I know a lot of people are suffering from high blood pressure and they would like to have something totally different at home to help them. That's why I was just giving you something different, guys, to see if, you know what I mean, someone would just want to try. Because a lot of people try enough of my recipe them and it helped them. So why not? Why not share the love with others? Alright. So we'll just continue to share the love and the unity with you guys. Alright? Yeah, man. So yeah. So we got the white onion, bay leaf, pimento seed, cloves, and garlic. Alright, so one is for the high blood pressure tea. Drink one in the morning and one at night, 2 times a day, and you're good to go. So yeah, once that cool down, we just make it simmer a little bit. Yeah, and once it's simmered down, then we're gonna pour it off and make you guys can see. Yeah, what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Here's him. He's in the building. Big up yourself, man. Long time, man. Yeah, sometimes I run a little bit late. But sometimes, you know, although I run late, still I'm going to do my show. Yeah. Yeah. More good night to you too. Good night to every one of you guys. Oh, everyone are going to bed so early tonight. What's going on tonight? Is something special? Is there something special tonight? Let me know what's happening tonight, guys. All right, let's wind up the show, yeah. All right. We're going to take it off of the heat. Let's take it off of the heat. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's take it off of the heat, so you guys can see exactly what's going on. All right. Because, yeah, it's all about a good, healthy tea recipe from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right. Yeah. So we're just gonna pour it off. Hope you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo have been doing. We're gonna pour it off now. You can add a little bit of honey, but me personally, I drink it naturally like that. Add a little bit more of the seeds in. Little natural ingredients back into the liquid. And the rest, keep it in the pot and drink it in the morning. Alright? But at the same time, you need to eat healthy if you know you want to reduce your high blood pressure. Alright, guys? You have to eat healthy also. You can't just do one thing and not do the other. Alright? So, yeah, but it's a beautiful recipe. And I know you guys definitely will love this cup of tea, which I just made. Alright? Now, the good news is we still have the book available for you guys to get on yourself a copy of my book. Alright? Because you don't know, Mother's Day is around the corner this Sunday. So if you don't get yourself something for mommy, yeah man, get yourself a copy of the book for mommy. Alright? Yeah. So Big up all the people them who share some love and support to Chef Ricardo Thompson. Big up yourself. Alright? Getting yourself a copy of From the Poverty to Purpose. Alright? Yeah man, here it is. I hit this, guys. Alright? From Poverty to Purpose. Happy Mother's Day. Now, let's big up all our mothers then. Alright? I want to take the time out to say, Chef, would you like to natural ways message manage my blood pressure once I'm drinking the tea? Can I stop taking? Never stop taking medication unless your doctor told you to stop taking medication. Alright? It is important for you guys because you already don't have the problem. So you know what I mean? All you have to do is to change your diet, start to eating healthy, drink up some natural tea, but don't stop taking medication, guys. That's a red flag. Only your doctor is supposed to tell you that. Alright? Yeah. So, yeah. But once you change your diet and start to eat healthy and looking after yourself, then your doctor, and you're managing your blood pressure, your doctor will take you off of blood pressure. Because I know a lot of people, doctor take off of medication by changing their diet. Yeah. Alright. So beautiful people. Chef, I am in the hospital right now. My kidney and high blood pressure on you. You're right. Yeah. Chef, I am in the hospital right now. I'm stopping my meds from my only your doctor's supposed to tell you, Jojo, big up yourself. Only your doctor's supposed to tell you that you're supposed to stop take your medication. Alright? Yeah. The thing is that a lot of people,